today we will have a look TypeScript functions. When we define the function and do not assign any type, it will be void type automatically. It is the same that we will do like this. Now let's have a look example that we have function, for example edit user, and it takes ID as a parameter. As we do not assign ID for any type, we can pass any type inside function. And here we can pass, for example, the ID, the number, but we also can pass boolean, for example. But in this case it will not be correct. So to fix that and to not have such issue, we need to assign ID some type. For example, we can assign string, and now we will have a compilation error. To fix this, we need to pass the correct value, for example string here. In this case we will not miss ID or pass wrong value. Now let's have a look this code example that we have functions that getting user data. Let's imagine that we are sending request for the API and getting can return name string and ID string. And now if we call that function, in this case we will see now it include the types that we want, for example the name and ID, and we can call it. And if we call some properties that is not exist for the users, we will get error. Another way to assign function type, we can do like this: to first define the type for that function, like it is returning number and it takes number of arrays, and then define the function. And now if we call the function, and if we want to pass, for example, the wrong parameter, for example number, we will see we are getting the error. So to fix this, we need to pass correct value, for example number of arrays, and in this case it will work fine. So we have looked at TypeScript functions. Thank you, have a good day.